Hello knitters, I'm Jessie from Jessie's Designs. I thank you so much for being here. If you're watching this tutorial, it's because you're working on your Dominga Cowl and you want to learn how to make the Picot Edging. At the time of this recording, I have made already about 4 different Dominga Cowls and I am officially obsessed with it. I hope that after you watch this tutorial, you're gonna feel very confident working on your own Picot edging for your Dominga Cowl. It is such a very pretty detail and I hope that you enjoy working on it. The pattern asks you to knit rounds 1 to 9 and then 1 to 8. When you're done with round 8, you're going to fold the piece in half, little by little. When you do that, you're gonna see how the Picot edge will look. To get this effect, fold it in half and pick up the stitch on the back that matches the one on the front. Make sure that you really match those stitches, the one from the back and the one to the front. Then what you're gonna do is that you are going to knit through the first stitch on the front. Don't slip it. Keep going, picking up both strands of yarn on the stitch on the back. Knit it and pull it through the front. I cannot say this enough. Keep in mind to pick up both strands of yarn on the back, knit it and pull it through the front. Do this through this round, always making sure you match the stitch in the back to the front one. You can see how that Picot edging is started to get formed. Isn't this such a delicate part of this cowl? This can be a little bit time consuming, but it's worth the time. Look at that. So pretty. Don't you think? When you match the stitch in the back to the stitch in the front, you can see that all the stitches line up. They don't look crooked, they don't look sideways. Now look at this pretty and delicate look. This is one of my favorite details of the Dominga Cowl. Now you may continue working on this pattern. I hope you enjoy working on the eyelet section and the lace design on the top. Happy knitting! Now you can go back to the video and watch it again and again and again until you can see exactly how to make the Picot edging. If after watching this video you have any more questions, please feel free to send me a direct message on Instagram or leave me a comment here. I will be sure to get back to you. Enjoy working on your Dominga Cowl, and again, thank you so much for your support.